At Advanced Dental, our mission is to restore hope, confidence, and smiles while taking great care of our patients. What makes us unique is our experience. I have been teaching and placing dental implants for the last 18 years. We are also a family-owned clinic and we stand behind our work. Here at our implant center, we like to focus on providing the best quality care for our patients.
The process of having all my work done took several visits, and Dr. Daltro came in, took care of me, and while I was in there by myself, there were still his staff was there helping me answer questions. You know, anything I needed, they were there to assist me. Dr. Daltro was there. They were just fantastic. They were very professional and very helpful through the entire procedure.
We have the best machines and technology that currently exist in the dental world. We have an in-house lab, monitoring machines to keep the patients safe during sedation. We are also using technology to provide better treatment, which was not possible earlier.
After I had my first crown, later in a year or two, I lost a bridge in the front of my mouth. I would have gone no place else except to come here. And because of the way I have been treated, because of the concern and the compassion and the friendliness that I have found here, I would always refer. In fact, I have referred several friends here for treatment.
We were developing new techniques to solve problems for patients in getting better outcomes to restore their health, confidence, and smiles. We love the fact that we understand the concerns of our patients, eliminate their problems, and give their life back. At Advanced Dental, we have the knowledge, experience to allow you to have the smile and confidence that you're looking for.